Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make a Southwest chicken soup. This is a hearty and spicy soup that is perfect for a cold day. It's easy to make and full of flavor. Let's get started. For this, we'll need a half pound of boneless, skinless chicken, a half pound of your favorite chili peppers. I'm going to be using Anaheim, 1 yellow onion, 6 cups of chicken broth, 3/4 cups of dried black beans, 1 1/4 cups and 1 tablespoon of oil divided, a 1/4 cup of flour, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of chili powder, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 28 ounces of diced tomatoes, and 16 ounces of corn. You can soak your beans overnight and cook them for a few hours on the stovetop, but I'll be using a pressure cooker to save time. I'll add my 3/4 cups of dried black beans to my pressure cooker and fill it about half full with water and cook my beans on high for about 1 hour. While the beans are cooking, we can roast our peppers. We'll put them in the oven broiler on high for about 8 minutes per side to blister them before transferring them to a heat-safe dish and cover them with plastic wrap to cool for about 20 minutes. As our chili peppers cool, we'll peel and finely chop our onion. Then peel and chop our chili peppers. Once we've prepared our vegetables, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of our oil on the stovetop over medium-high heat, and then cook our chicken until cooked through, about 8 to 10 minutes per side, and set it aside to rest and cool. Then we'll reduce heat to medium and start our roux. We'll add our remaining 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of flour to the same pot we cooked our chicken in, and cook it on the stovetop, stirring constantly until it browns. Then we'll add our chopped onions and chili peppers and tablespoon of minced garlic and continue to cook our roux until fragrant, about another 2 minutes, before pouring in our 6 cups of chicken broth, 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes with its juices, and stirring in our 16 ounces of corn, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then bring our soup to a boil, stirring occasionally. While we're waiting on our soup to come to a boil, we'll shred our chicken and return it to the pot. After the soup begins to boil, we'll reduce heat to medium-low and allow our soup to simmer, stirring occasionally, until our beans are finished. When the beans have finished cooking, we'll release the pressure on the pressure cooker, drain our beans, and add them to our soup. We'll continue to simmer our soup for at least 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. We'll serve this hot, and we can garnish it with sour cream, shredded cheese, and corn chips. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.